A practical guide by the Builders Squad Ltd team. A kitchen renovation is one of the most rewarding home upgrades, but only if it's planned properly. Many costly mistakes happen before homeowners even step into a showroom. In 2026, with rising material costs and longer lead times, preparation matters more than ever. This guide walks you through the key decisions you should make in advance, helping you save time, money, and frustration while achieving a kitchen that works for years to come. Choosing the right kitchen style. Your kitchen style sets the tone for the entire renovation. Popular choices remain modern and shaker, but industrial, traditional, and transitional kitchens are also widely available. Modern kitchens typically feature clean lines, handleless units, and glossy or matte finishes. They suit open-plan layouts in contemporary homes. Shaker kitchens are more timeless, with framed doors, visible handles, and often painted or wood effect finishes. When deciding on style, also consider surface finishes and handles. High gloss and matte laminates are easy to clean, while painted or wood finishes offer warmth but require more care. Handleless designs create a sleek look, while handles provide a more traditional feel and can be easier to maintain long-term. Kitchen carcasses, the hidden structure. The cabinet frames are the backbone of your kitchen. Quality here determines how well your kitchen ages. Look for carcasses with 18mm side and back panels for durability. Avoid non-standard sizes where possible, as they make future door or panel replacements difficult and expensive. You'll also need to choose between flat pack and pre-assembled units. Flat packs are cheaper but take longer to install and rely heavily on fitter skill. Fully assembled units cost more upfront but often reduce labor time and fitting issues. Choosing neutral, durable carcass finishes can also make future updates easier. Kitchen front panels, doors, and drawer fronts have the biggest visual impact and vary widely in price and performance. Solid wood offers longevity and natural character, but requires maintenance and comes at a premium. Veneered fronts provide a similar look at a lower cost but are less forgiving to damage. MDF and laminate fronts remain the most popular in 2026 due to affordability, variety, and ease of cleaning. When selecting fronts, balance style with durability, especially in busy family kitchens. Worktop options. In 2026, worktops define both usability and aesthetics. Laminate remains budget-friendly but is less durable over time. Quartz continues to dominate mid to high-end kitchens due to its durability, low maintenance, and consistent pricing when fitting is included. Granite offers luxury but requires sealing. Deckton and ceramic surfaces are extremely durable and heat-resistant, but sit at the higher end of the budget. Engineered or MDF-based options are cheaper alternatives, but may not withstand long-term wear. For most homeowners, quartz provides the best balance of cost, longevity, and ease of care. Planning structural changes. Structural alterations can dramatically increase costs and complexity. Removing load-bearing walls, installing RSJ beams, or altering doors and windows requires structural engineers, approvals, and additional labor. Beyond the visible work, costs often include damp-proofing, plastering, sealing, or floor leveling, plumbing changes, and increased waste removal. These extras can add thousands to an otherwise standard renovation. Whenever possible, avoid structural changes unless they significantly improve layout or functionality. Finishing touches that matter. Once units and worktops are installed, finishing details complete the space. Splashbacks protect walls and add visual interest. Flooring should be durable and easy to clean. Lighting, especially under cabinet and task lighting, greatly improves both practicality and atmosphere. What to ask in a kitchen showroom. Before committing, ask clear questions. Confirm whether units are flat pack or assembled. Check carcass and door thickness. Inspect materials closely for signs of mass production, such as plastic caps or thin panels. Clarify what worktops, appliances, and fittings are included in the price. Be cautious with 0% finance offers, as high margins are often built in. Always confirm delivery timelines, installation scope, warranties, and whether fitting includes plumbing, gas, and electrical connections. Negotiate. Kitchen retail margins are often substantial, and compare multiple quotes, including advice from local fitters. Final advice for 2026. Keep designs practical rather than overly complex. Inspect older properties for hidden issues. Ensure wiring supports modern appliances before installation. For free estimates and expert advice, contact Builders Squad Ltd. We provide free site surveys across Greater Manchester, UK. Phone 074 2865 3653. Website buildersquad.co.uk.